Welcome back, everybody. Here at TLC Pigeon Loft. We're here for another quick update, and the hen that is missing her cockbird, her mate. She's still sitting in the nest. This is like the 6 days or 5 days, I'm not sure. And then when I came home from work, she was off the nest, but she's back in it. And I checked the eggs, and there's the embryo or the chick inside of the egg is still alive. So, but she's back in the nest, so she's still sitting in the nest, but there's still no sign of the cockbird, her mate. I've been talking to my friend, and then he said there's no sign of the bird going back over to his house. So we'll see. I'm still in contact with him, and then we'll see if he calls us and tells us that the bird is out there in his house. So fingers crossed, maybe he comes back. And then over here, youngsters over here, they're getting big. There's, I like this one right here. Let's see. He's the one who has white tips. The other one, blue bars over there. And that's the hen in the nest, and the cockbird right there next door. I just put some fresh water and fresh food, fresh bread, and give it a little bit of cleanup to the breeding box. And over here the same. I checked the eggs too from them, and their photo. The bottom ones too, I checked the eggs and they're good. The youngsters are still in the other nest. Yeah. I just want to give you guys a quick update on the cockbird that hasn't come back. And then over here, down here, I have another pair. The cockbird right there, and the hen is to the left side. Maybe in the next day or so, or second day, we laying some eggs. Let's finger cross, see if what we can get out of these guys. This cockbird, the guy that give me that bird is the same guy give me the hen that is missing her cockbird. That bird right there, he give me that one too. And then sometimes for like 2 or 3 times I let it got out of the cage, so he flew back to my friend's house. But he called me, hey, come and get him. This is like the 4th time I went and get him to his house, because I accidentally let him out, and then I had to go get him. So we'll see if these guys lay some eggs in the next 2 days. I think that's about it. I'm just gonna feed these guys. I see they look pretty hungry, so put some feed on them. See, they start eating. Okay, I think this is about it. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to subscribe to my channel, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Let's finger crossed for the cockbird from the hen that she's by herself. See if it comes back. We'll see what happens. I'm still in contact with my friend, so I hope it gets back. Alright guys, this is it, and thank you for watching, and see you at the next one.